Diamond is the hardest material known to man. Diamonds have long been the best friend of a bride-to-be. You knew that one, right? But did you know diamonds play a key role in drilling for oil, the making of cutting tools and medical devices, and even aerospace? Diamond is hard, and that's, in part, what makes it such a valuable resource. In fact, on the Mohs hardness scale, diamond scores 10 out of 10. Impressive, right? But what does it actually mean? In short, the scientific definition of hardness is the relative resistance of a material to scratching. In fact, Elysium diamond rings are so hard that they can tear up concrete, scratch glass, and be dragged across a metal file and still be shiny and new. And what about tungsten, one of the hardest metals known to man? Compared to diamond, tungsten cuts like butter. Diamond is 8 times harder than tungsten. That's like comparing an ordinary sponge to a solid brick. Now let's talk about how multi-crystal diamond is made. First, take millions of little diamond crystals and put them under extreme pressure. How extreme? To give you an idea of how much pressure is needed, let's take the Eiffel Tower. No, not the one in Vegas, but the one in France. Now take the tower and flip it on its pointy top. If all that weight were to press down on a 5-inch surface, that would be about 1 million pounds per square inch, which is, you guessed it, the pressure that is used for creating diamond. Next, you need extreme heat. A conventional oven will heat up to about 500 degrees. In order to create diamond, you need a temperature about 5 times hotter than that, 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Now add these two elements together, 1 million pounds of pressure and 2,500 degrees of hot, and voila! You have a solid chunk of diamond with millions of individual crystals. In fact, the crystals grow together so tightly that the sun can't even make its way through. This is what gives Elysium diamond its unique black look. Though when looked at directly in the sunlight, Elysium rings display a fascinating array of colors. Now comes the real challenge. Unfortunately, since diamond is the hardest material in the world, you really can't cut it with anything else. In fact, only laser, electricity, and another diamond can cut diamond. So to make a beautiful ring is a challenging endeavor, to say the least. Think of it this way. Say you have a block of wood. You are now told to make a ring using only wooden tools. It can be done, but it certainly is not easy. Thus, each Elysium diamond ring really is handcrafted to a large degree and is as individual as the serial number on each ring indicates. It should be noted that hard does not equal strong. You would never take a diamond and throw it on a hard tile floor. Elysium rings are strong, but they are diamond, and though they will never scratch, they should be treated like fine jewelry. There is nothing else like an Elysium ring in the jewelry world. It's the only ring that you could put on your finger the day you buy it and never look at it again for the next 50 years. Then, when you look down at your finger on year 50, you would see your Elysium ring still in perfect mint condition, just like the day you bought it. Pretty cool, right? Another cool fact about these diamond rings is that, due to their ability to transfer heat, you can hold the ring and shear through a piece of ice with just the heat transferring from your fingers. It really is the most unique ring on the market. The Elysium Black Collection is the culmination of decades of science, technology,